Did you know that one of the largest bailout programs ever introduced by Congress is about to become available to people that earn $100,000 or more per year? Would you like to earn tax-free income for the rest of your life? Of course you would. Well, take a couple of minutes to listen to what I have to say, because this opportunity could change your life forever. In 2005, the U.S. Congress passed the Tax Increase Prevention and Reconciliation Act. This program is going to let you convert your self-directed IRA, 403b, 401k, and pension plan into a tax-free Roth IRA. Now, in addition to this program, I'm going to tell you where you can earn double-digit returns on your Roth IRA. This investment is not tied to the volatility of Wall Street, and it has the risk level of a CD or a money market. Hi, folks. This is Stephen Johnson, and I'm the VP of Sales and Marketing for Blackhawk Wealth Solutions. If you'll spend just a few more minutes with me, I'll give you a quick rundown on how these programs could change your life forever. In the past, people like you that earned $100,000 or more per year couldn't even take advantage of the Roth IRA program. Well, guess what? All that is about to change. Congress has decided to give you a one-year window of opportunity to convert to a tax-free Roth IRA. Now, you may be wondering, why convert? Well, the answer is simple. What's better? Tax-free income for the rest of your life, or income that's going to be taxed? Now, I don't know about you, but I have a feeling that we're going to see taxes go up in the future and not down. And speaking of taxes, did you realize when you retire and take money from your IRA, you're going to have to pay 20 to 40% in income taxes for every dollar that you take out? That means if you need $60,000 a year to live on, you're going to have to take out $80,000 to $100,000 just to pay the taxes. Your kids are going to have to pay 30 to 60% in inheritance tax if you pass along your IRA, and when you hit 70 and a half, you're going to be required to take mandatory distributions, boosting your income, meaning you're going to have to pay even more taxes. That's just way too much money to be paying in taxes. Don't you agree? Okay, now, earning tax-free income is really important, but let's talk about the investment side. Here's a chart of the Dow from 1997 until 2008, and we call this the lost decade for obvious reasons. Back in 1997, the Dow was at about 8,200. It went as high as 13,000, and then came the crash of 2008, right back down to 8,200. Now, this crash put most people about 10 years behind in their retirement. And waiting for the market to come back may not work for you. It doesn't for everybody. So you need to consider an alternative to this high-risk gamble that Wall Street offers. The investment that we recommend has been paying annual double-digit returns for over 17 years. And Warren Buffett's company, Berkshire Hathaway, has over $6 billion invested in this program. And if you trust Warren, then listen to what we're going to show you next. So here's a quote from the Wall Street Journal about the investment that we suggest. May 2005, the industry's 16-year history of annual double-digit returns of 10 to 15% first attracted European and Asian investors. Now, I know what you're saying, but Steve, that was back in 2005. Everybody was making money in the stock market at that time. Okay, let's take a look at this slide. So here's a quote from the Wall Street Journal about our investment in February of 2009, right at the height of the crash. It says, even before the current financial crisis, this investment was offering its clients low double-digit returns, and those returns are now closer to mid-double-digit returns. Now, that's what you'd like in your portfolio, right? Mid-double-digit returns? Now imagine combining these two programs together. The power of a Roth IRA with tax-free growth, tax-free income, and the ability to pass it along to heirs tax-free. Combine that with our investment that has contractual returns and a 17-year history of annual double-digit returns. You're going to have one powerhouse of a retirement program. So for a quick recap, if you earn $100,000 or more, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity from the U.S. government where in 2010 you have a one-year window to convert your self-directed IRA, 403b, 401k, SEP IRA, 510 or pension plan into a tax-free Roth IRA. And by the way, you don't have to pay the conversion taxes until 2011 and 2012, almost 2 years later. You combine that with our double-digit investment, And this is one program that you cannot afford to miss. I'm sure that some of you still have some questions, and there really is no way for me to explain all of this in a short video. So please grab a pen and paper, write down my information, and give me a call or send me an email. Instead of me coming to your home, I can actually explain all of this information to you over the telephone and right in front of your computer, where I can show you everything that you need to know. I can do that right from the comfort of your own home without me having to visit. That way you can find out if either of these programs are right for you. Now please think about this. You've spent 10, 15, or 30 years or more saving up for your retirement. Don't you think it's worth just spending 15 to 30 minutes of your time now to find out how these programs can bail out your retirement and allow you to retire with tax-free income for the rest of your life? Opportunity is knocking, so please be sure and give me a call. Thank you.